Hi, welcome back to SingerFamilyAdventrues. My name is Valerie. If you haven't been here before, welcome. We'd love it if you wanted to give us a like, a comment, subscribe below, hit that bell notification so you know when else we're posting stuff. This channel is about 90% Disney. I'm wearing ears today just because that's what I do in videos, but actually this is not a Disney video. I'm bringing you a new subscription box that we got, and we're going to get this every month. And I wanted to be like more selective about where my money was going and make sure that it was really stuff that we could use or we wanted. So this, maybe we can use, maybe we can't. It's no longer what I do for a living, but I am a cultural anthropologist, and I did that for many years of my life, about 15 years. And as a cultural anthropologist, I've always loved different cultures and understanding different cultures and exploring them, and that's what brought me into anthropology to begin with. So this box is only indirectly anthropological, but we have subscribed to universalyums.com, and this is a snack box. It is going to come once a month. We subscribe to the smallest size. It's $15 a month. They have a size for 25, and then they have, I think, 35 or 40. We might upgrade if we really love this. You also can pay a whole year in advance, and I think then this box would only be $13.50 a month, but I wanted to just try it a few times before I really committed. But each month it has snacks from all over, usually from one country at a time. This is our first box, and so it says these yums traveled all the way from everywhere. So this is a mixed box. It's got items from different parts of the world. I'm not going to show you the top with my address, but you open it up and it looks like this. There's a fun card in there. It's the yumderful time of the year. We got this right before Christmas, and I've saved it for a bit. So it's got lots of little information. Winter is fennel season in Italy. The fennel crackers in your box are a Christmas favorite. There's a special reason that this man has a berry in his wine glass. We'll find out. No Filipino holiday or Universal Yums holiday box is complete without purple yam treats from the Philippines. Today, menorahs hold wax candles, but they originally burned olive oil. Reindeers are the only deer species in which both male and female grow antlers. Actually, the males lose their antlers in the wintertime. I've learned this recently. So, Santa's reindeer all must be girls, because they're the only ones that still have their antlers. And according to the Chinese zodiac, this baby is a pig. But babies born this year will be rats. So the year the pig is ending. So here we go. It comes with a scorecard where you can count and keep track of the things you try and see what you think of them. And then it also comes with a booklet with information. So that's really kind of fun. There's some trivia. I'll take a look at that afterwards. But I'm going to get into this, and Jonah's here. He's going to try things behind the camera. I'm surprised Rafi wasn't in the mood today, but maybe next time. So, Snack Gold. Gourmet potato chips, raspberry flavor. Product of Spain with Mediterranean sea salt. These look delicious. Weird, right? Raspberry potato chips, but hey, you know, we eat all kinds of weird potato chips. I'm just going to take a few bites of each one. It's very strange. It's very strange.
It just tastes like potato chips to me.
I want to try one.
Well, now, get in here.
Here he comes. Raspberry flavored.
Oh no, they're not bad. Here, get it. Here, I want another one. Because it just tasted like, you know. What do you think?
It tastes like normal potato.
There's a slight hint of raspberry.
The raspberry subtle. I like them.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right.
I want one more than. I know what's gonna happen. There's other ones. You want to try the chicken ones? Okay.
Lily's walked in.
Goulet bras. I used to speak French. Now I speak Portuguese instead. Cuisiné en Provence. Produit de France. Product of France. Chicken potato chips. This whole bag is not potato chips.
Whole box.
Box. Try it. Maybe we should be cleansing our palate. Is that good?
Oh. That is weird.
It's a very strong chicken flavor.
Alright, what's next?
I definitely like the raspberry one better.
Much more.
No, I
That
like it.
chicken one is like, it tastes like the chicken fat, like the,
Tastes like chicken.
It tastes like actual chicken with feathers.
but it's a really strong chicken taste. Like,
Can I get some of that?
no.
okay. What next? Let's try the fennel. What are they? They're fennel crackers of some kind. I'm getting stuff on me.
Goodbye.
No, you gotta try all
You
of them.
gotta try a fennel cracker.
No.
You can't just come into
Fine. That's the only one I'm gonna try. Then I'm leaving.
Get in the shot.
Try it.
It smells like honey.
It smells like honey.
It smells weird.
Cute.
Ugh.
Not my favorite.
No. Bye.
Yeah.
Don't say bye to me.
Bye.
No.
So
Say
if
it.
you like black
Bye.
licorice, you'll like this. But our dog just took it like in her front teeth. No, I know I'm gonna like this. I don't know if the kids will like it. Baklava. I'm assuming this is Greek. Maybe I'm wrong. Jordan. Okay, product of Jordan. Okay. Product of Jordan baklava. You got it? Now, I've never had packaged baklava. There's actually an amazing Mediterranean restaurant right around the corner from us. I've always loved Mediterranean food. I may need scissors. They have really great baklava. They have two kinds, pistachio and walnut. I like the walnut better. I got it. Let's see if it says what this is. Cashews is the main cashew baklava. Do you know how rich this is gonna be?
I don't know what normal baklava tastes like.
Oh, so good. This is teeny, but yummy. This is not something you eat a lot of. Okay, I'm saying yummy. We haven't eaten it yet. There are 5 teeny pieces in a box. Donna,
Yeah?
try this.
Okay.
So good. Sticky, yummy, sweet. It's gonna be sweet. It's dense. There's a lot of phyllo dough here.
It's not terrible, but it's not my favorite. It's not my kind of thing. But it's good otherwise.
You don't like it?
No.
I like it. And I can tell that the cashew is good. But, and I'll finish the box, I know I will. But I gotta be honest, it doesn't hold a candle to the fresh stuff around the corner. So, we have 4 more items.
Ooh.
Chocolate.
I think we'll save that for last.
Okay, can I have a little more water? I need to cleanse my palate. Alpine nut cake from Switzerland.
Nut cake. Okay.
All right, we just have one little nut cake.
We each get a bite.
It looks like this.
No, I'll be honest. Nuts in general are not my favorite.
It doesn't taste like nuts, it tastes like cake. It's good.
It is good.
I would like another bite. He's about to finish it. It's really good. I think this is my lunch.
We've got a very jealous dog on the floor.
Aww.
Hello.
No mess, please. All right. Let's try crema americana. I don't know where that's from yet. Chocolate coated biscuit with cream filling.
No, Lily. No.
I think this is Spanish or Uruguay. Yep.
Uruguay?
Okay, Uruguay. Wow. So this is from all over.
What did we have so far? We had Switzerland. We had... Actually, Switzerland's all I remember.
We had Switzerland, Italy, Jordan, France, and Spain. And now we have Uruguay. And this basically looks like a coated Oreo cookie.
Does it taste like one too?
Almost. Not exactly.
That's not bad. I like it.
It's not my top favorite. It's good though.
It might be my top favorite.
He's all about the chocolate. Alright, now this one I'm interested in. This is the Philippine shortbread. Goldilocks brand. It's purple yams. Purple yam shortbread.
No, I don't usually like shortbread.
Shortbread is
Right.
basically butter and sugar.
Yeah, and I'm
A little
not.
bit of flour.
I'm not a fan.
And in this case, the flour is yam flour.
Very purple.
Oh, that's good. That is good.
It's not bad,
It's not super sweet.
but it's yours.
It's not super sweet. And it tastes a little different.
It is pretty good.
You can tell there's a lot of butter. It is very purple. Very purple. Last item, which I have no doubt we're going to like.
Chocolate.
Yes.
Chocolate, chocolate,
Limited
chocolate.
winter edition Chocomunk premium milk chocolate with roasted almonds. Now where the heck is this from? Oh, these are packaged by Universal Yums. Oh, made in Germany. Okay.
Perfect.
Yummy!
Oh.
And I'm just taking one corner to begin with, but you know I'm going to want half of it.
Yeah, well, you know.
Take a corner. Hi, Lily.
Lily, you don't get chocolate. It's quite
I
good.
mean, German chocolate with roasted almonds, like you can't go wrong.
Right.
That's not surprising. It's delicious. Okay, so that's probably the best thing in the box. To me, the two interesting things, unexpected yums, were the Philippine yam shortcake. I really like this. I am going to finish it. And the raspberry potato chips. And
I'm gonna
Jonah?
finish this. Yeah,
You want to finish that?
I do. My two favorites were the two chocolates.
Which,
It's not
which
that
were
hard.
like the most ordinary
Oh, yeah.
taste combinations. You know, like, oh, chocolate with vanilla cream. That's hard.
Besides
But
that,
with almonds.
the nut cake was very good.
Oh yeah, the nut cake. I forgot about the nut cake.
And the
'cause
yam-
We just ate that so fast.
Yeah, the yam thing wasn't bad either.
It's interesting good, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right, so that was fun. We are going to explore our holiday adventure.
3
Let's
minutes.
see if we have any little tidbits for you. In Japan, it's good luck for your first dream of the new year to include A, an eggplant, B, a hawk, C, Mount Fuji, or D, a bamboo stalk. Let's see, what is the answers?
Oh, it's a question. I didn't understand that it was a like a quiz thing. I thought it was just a list because I wasn't paying attention.
Okay, that's
I was like-
because he's funny.
I was like, "Why is there an eggplant?" I don't
Why
think
is
it's
there
eggplant.
an eggplant? You don't think it's eggplant?
Are you gonna take a guess?
Okay, it's gonna drive me crazy if
Are
they
you
don't
gonna
give us
take a
the
guess? Or give it to me. I want to know. Let me see. I'll find the answer.
answers.
What's your guess?
There's a bunch of questions like that.
What's your guess?
Mine is, what was the last one after Mount Fuji?
A bean. Yeah.
Bamboo stalk. That's my guess.
Well, guess what? That's the only one that's not true.
Really?
Yeah. An eggplant, a hawk, and or Mount Fuji are all good luck.
I guess I haven't dreamed about any of them, but I guess I'm not going to have very good luck. All right. Well, anyway, thank you for joining us so much. Tell us what food, if you've ever had any of these foods, and which one looked the best to you. And Happy New Year. Go spread a little kindness in the world, and see y'all real soon.